Alright, it's time to do our heater. So you go back here to the gas tank. You want to turn it all the way on. Once that's on, you go to your second lever, which is right here. Turn that on, gas is flowing to your heater. Now, I'm going to open these things so you can see me light it up there. Open this little thing. See this right here? It's off. You turn it to pilot. You're going to hold that pilot button down. Then you're going to hit that igniter button right there. Watch, ready? You're going to see it ignite. You see that? And you're going to continue to hold it for a minute for the gas to flow. Alright, and then whenever you hold it for a second, you can let go. And that's how you light your pilot. You're going to want to shut these doors back. After it's lit, you can turn it to on, and then you turn this right here. Hold on. Little switch down here to on, to auto. It had it off. Anyway, and then you're going to come back down here. If you want to turn it on completely, you hit it down, all the way down. Then it lights it. Shut your door back. You got heat. And you hear that gas flow? That's okay. That's just the gas going to it. Don't worry about it. And I'm going to open the door back up. I just shutted it so I could see if it would, how warm it would get here. Anyway, when you're done with it, come back down here again. Can't see it still. There's a switch right here. You turn it to, as you see. Alright. And then if you don't want it on at all, but you still want to turn it on like a warm-up, you just turn it to pilot. And now if you want to turn the pilot off, it'll turn your flame off. So your flame went. Then what you do, come back here, and if you could turn it off like this and this. If you're trying to drain the lines, you turn this one back on, leave that one off, and you come light your pilot again. See how it's lit? Watch when you turn it on to see the flame went out. Then you come over here, turn it off. You turn the switch off. And then after that, you can turn this line off. Bye, y'all.